Hi students, welcome back. So now we are going to discuss about Lissajous figures. So already we discussed how to measure the frequency of a signal by using the Lissajous figures. Now we discuss how to find out the phase difference between two sinusoidal signals by using Lissajous figures. The phase difference between the two sinusoidal signals by using the Lissajous figures. So basically we know that by using the CRO we can find out the amplitude, time period and then frequency. So we can also measure the phase difference by using the Lissajous figures. So here for few Lissajous figures based on their shape of the Lissajous figures we can directly tell the phase difference between the two sinusoidal signals. So by looking the shape of the Lissajous figures, directly we can tell the phase difference of the two sinusoidal signals. So if we see this one, if the straight line is having the shape of Lissajous figures which is inclined with the angle of 45 degrees with the positive x-axis, then the phase difference between two sinusoidal angles is 0 degrees. If the straight line is having the inclination with the positive x-axis, then the phase difference between two sinusoidal signals is 0 degrees. Here the straight line is a shape of Lissajous figures, that is it having the inclination angle with the 45 degrees with the positive x-axis, then the phase difference is phi equal to 0 degrees. If the straight line, that is the shape of the Lissajous figure, and it is having the inclination with the angle of 135 degrees with positive x-axis, then phase difference is 180 degrees between two sinusoidal angles. So these are the phase differences for the straight line shape of the Lissajous figures. Next, if the Lissajous figure is having in circular shape, then the phase difference is 90 degrees or 270 degrees. If the circular shape of the if the Lissajous figure is having in circular shape, the phase difference is 90 degrees or 270 degrees. And these are the examples of Lissajous figures. So we are having totally 4 figures here. So first one, Lissajous figure that is having the straight line. Okay. So if the Lissajous figure is in this shape, then there is no phase shift. For this figure, there is no phase shift. If the Lissajous figure is in elliptical shape, then the phase shift is 45 degrees phase shift. Next, third one, if the Lissajous figure is in circular shape, then the phase difference is 90 degrees or 270 degrees also. 90 degrees or 270 degrees. And this one is the straight line. If the Lissajous figure is in this shape, the phase shift is 180 degrees phase shift. So these are the examples of Lissajous figures. Okay. Now, if the Lissajous figure is in elliptical shape, in this manner, then we can tell the phase differences by using the equations. Okay. Now let us discuss about that. So these are the equations. If the Lissajous figure is in elliptical shape, then the major axis having the inclination of 0 degrees and 90 degrees with the positive x-axis. If the ellipse is having the 0 degrees and 90 degrees with the positive x-axis, then the phase difference is measured by this equation, sin inverse of x1 by x2. that is also equal to sine inverse of y1 by y2. If the ellipse is having the inclination with the 90 degrees and 180 degrees, then the phase difference is 180 minus sine inverse of x1 by x2. That is also equal to 180 minus sine inverse of y1 by y2. If the ellipse is in inclination with the angle of 90 degrees and 180 degrees, these are the equations to find out the phase difference phi. Okay, so by using these equations we can find out the phase difference. So in this way we can find out the measurements of amplitude, frequency and phase difference in CRO by using Lissajous figures. Okay, thank you.